Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Taurus. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Taurus, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Taurus. Four of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Knight of Cups, Four of Wands, Page of Cups in reverse, center of my spread with the Knight of Swords, Nine of Cups, Five of Cups, and the Six of Cups. Bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Wands. What do I say about this reading? Well, there's been either some fight or harsh words or something, I don't know, which has led to some bad memories between the two of you. I think there's a lot of holding back, this pettiness. I don't know. Anyway, for Taurus, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other. What that would be, then I'll clarify these cards for you, okay? So Taurus and their person spirit. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more Taurus from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Taurus and their person. Okay. Good to go, Taurus. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, it's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. See, that's what I was feeling. You're underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. I know that I'll always know what you're doing or what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with someone else. During sex, all I can ever think about is you. I get so high thinking of you that it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. And no wonder we had the Knight of Wands, which was bottom of my deck as well, right? This is the player card. There's a person who likes to have multiple partners, will never be consistent in a connection, can't be trustworthy. So yes, but they're saying I feel guilty when I'm with other people. It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by my status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? Why do you feel it necessary to label me? I'm far more than any label could ever describe, and so is our connection. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. Letting you walk away from me is my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and for us. Nothing and no one can compare to you. My heart aches for you. You are the love of my life. Love doesn't even begin to describe what I feel about you. There are no words to explain the depth of my feelings. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. I have to juggle a lot of responsibilities right now. All right, so Taurus, these were some of your messages. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, and then we'll do the rest of the reading. So, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus spirit? It's too many. One card, please. Blessing, learning experience. And that's what I thought as well. This is like a soulmate connection gone wrong. Or maybe it was only meant to do what it's doing. Some soulmates come into your life for some reason, some come into your life for another reason. It's like I always say, people come into your life for a reason, season, or a lifetime. So this could be a spiritual lesson learned from the soulmate as well. So Spirit, what's this Four of Pentacles? Who's holding back now? Who's living? Okay. Yeah. Somebody is realizing that their person will never change. They'll never change. They will always be this Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is out again. This was our overall energy, Taurus. So yes, there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of excitement, there's a lot of fun, but where is the maturity level? If somebody's figuring out, I might as well hold back from this person because they are never going to give me what I deserve. Page of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, it's making them very upset and very angry. They feel that there's maybe some gossip that's been done, or they heard some gossip, kind of made them feel very angry and upset. Almost feeling that this doesn't have the potential anymore of having a happily ever after. I think this Queen of Wands person who's upset is not even maybe wanting to talk to this player now. So, could be even thinking of going towards new love now. Knight of Cups. What's this Knight of Cups, Spirit? Yeah, they want somebody who will actually put in the work, who will actually be their person, who will actually be that King of Wands, not a Knight of Wands or an Ace of Wands or just coming in for pleasure. And somebody wants somebody to put in the work and, romance them and work on this connection. Maybe that's what they've been hoping that this past person is going to do, right? But I think now they're getting upset and kind of holding back. Yes, they feel it's no point. They feel that this offer, which should be, or maybe hasn't been given till now, there's a lot of sadness and a lot of feeling of rejection. And letting, almost coming to a point to say, let the universe just do what it has to. I'm giving up on this connection. I'm trying to heal myself now. I'm going into a little bit of a retreat now. And if they don't put in the work, I was about to say that, if they don't put in the work and if they don't become that King of Wands instead of just being the Knight of Wands forever, then I think till then I'm going to hold back. There's a feeling of the Four of Wands in reverse now because of that. Somebody's holding back from this connection now. Four of Wands in reverse. Yes, maybe it's a third party situation. What happens, Spirit, here? Yeah, maybe there's a third party. There was a third party situation, and somebody wanted their person to not, be with their options or just choose one, bring justice to the relationship. I don't know, but I don't think that offer was given. Page of Cups in reverse. In fact, there could have been a fight or an argument. Yes, somebody found out some information. Somebody found out some information which gave them a lot of stress. Maybe that person did come back and there was some communication about it as well. And this could have led to some kind of an argument or a fight. Yeah, it could have become quite toxic. And that's why one person is realizing that my person, they're not making any of my emotional wishes come true. And yes, there's no point of, I feel like a fool waiting around for this new beginning with a person who's toxic. Nine of Cups in reverse. Yes, I think somebody caught somebody. Somebody caught somebody being a bit of a magician, being a bit of a trickster. I think this person was caught. And The other person, I think the Queen of Wands person is saying, I'm not going to stay stuck in a situation which is never ever going to make me emotionally happy. Five of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yes, I think somebody is ready to move now. Somebody is ready to move forward now, making a decision for their own life that I'm not going to live in a place which is doesn't, or a person who has no integrity and they lie to me all the time. I'm not going to keep looking back, to feel sorrow and sadness. They feel too many bad memories have been created in this connection now. It's, yes, look at the Six of Cups is clarified by the Six of Cups in reverse. That's like bad memories being created in a relationship which may at one point have either seemed like a very strong connection, or maybe you've known each other for a long time, or that feeling that, we've known each other for lifetimes. But the Six of Cups is in reverse, and not once but twice, clarifying it. I think the other person is now blocking this Knight of Wands, who they feel, makes too many unwise choices and decisions. So that's what's going on, Taurus. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.